Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wave to sales tax reporting for small business step by step clearly. To connect Wave to sales tax reporting for your small business, start by logging into your Wave account. On the dashboard, navigate to the sales tax section located in the sidebar. Click on Sales Tax to open the sales tax dashboard. Next, choose the Add a Sales Tax button to create a new sales tax profile. Select the applicable region for your business. Enter the name of the sales tax, such as state sales tax. Input the sales tax rate in percentage. Make sure to set the effective date for when this tax will begin. You can also associate this sales tax with appropriate income accounts. Once you have filled in all necessary information, click Save. Next, go to the Transactions tab in the sidebar. Locate the transactions that require tax reporting. For each relevant transaction, click on it to edit. Select the appropriate sales tax from the drop-down menu. Ensure all taxable income is accurately marked. Save your changes to each transaction. Now, navigate to the Report section in the sidebar. Click on Sales Tax Report to generate your sales tax overview. Review the report for accuracy, ensuring all sales and taxes are properly accounted. If adjustments are necessary, return to your transactions for any corrections. Finally, keep your sales tax report handy for tax filing. Regularly review your sales tax settings to ensure compliance with any changes in tax rates. This systematic approach will help you effectively connect Wave to your sales tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.